Pulse-up exercise, lying on the ground. The pulse-up is a simple yet effective core exercise that targets the lower abdominal muscles, performed lying on your back. It involves controlled movements that engage your core without the need for equipment, making it ideal for home workouts. How to do it properly. 1. Starting position. Lie flat on your back on an exercise mat. Place your arms flat on the floor by your sides, palms facing down. Extend your legs straight up toward the ceiling, keeping them together and perpendicular to the ground. 2. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your torso. 3. Perform the pulse-up. Using your lower abs, lift your hips a few inches off the ground, pushing your feet straight up toward the ceiling. The movement should be small and controlled. Avoid swinging or using momentum. 4. Lower with control. Slowly lower your hips back to the mat without letting your lower back arch or collapse. 5. Repetition. Perform 10 to 15 reps per set, focusing on slow, controlled movements to maximize abdominal engagement. Tips for proper form. Avoid jerking or swinging your legs. Keep your neck and upper back relaxed on the floor. Exhale as you lift your hips. Inhale as you lower them. The pulse-up is great for strengthening the lower abs and improving core stability. Incorporate it into your routine 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Please check my next video.